So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you write data to a CSV file, or you can simply create a CSV file on your own using file handling in Python. So what you have to do is just simply you have to move in your VS Code. Let's move in our VS Code and select your desired folder. Just a second till it's get loaded. Okay, you can go here and then open folder and then select your desired folder. Since I have already selected my desired folder, so I will be just going here and typing write csv.py. Write csv.py. In this video I am going to show you two ways that how can you create CSV file and then how can you create a CSV file using two ways. In both the cases you will get the same output, but if you want to specify the column that this data belongs to this particular column, then you have to go with the dictionary method. And then if you have a list of data, then what you have to do is just simply go with the first method. So okay, first method is I will be creating a list of data and then passing it to create a CSV file. Firstly we have to import CSV, and then data equals, and then you have to pass a list of arrays, list you can say, like this is the name, age, city, and then Alice 30 and New York, and then this will be Bob 25 and Los Angeles. I think this is enough for my table, or you can say for my CSV file. Now what you have to do is I have to open a CSV file. Okay, with open, yes, this one, output.csv, yeah, this one. So okay, let me tell you what this is actually doing. Now we have opened a CSV file that will be named as output.py. This will create a file here named as output.py in the write mode. That means this will create a new file basically. Here we have used a new line and then empty strings to make sure that this will contain no blank lines, or you can say you have, when you have to avoid blank lines, then you will use this line, that is new line equals, and then in quotations null values. Okay, so now what you have to do is just simply open this as file. You have to create a writer which will, you can say, write on this CSV file. So you will be needing a CSV writer which will write on this file, and what this will write is write rows this particular data, this particular list of data. Okay, so let's run this. You can see this output.csv file where you can see this name, age and city. So this was the first method, that how can you create a CSV file. Now let's delete this one too. I will be creating a whole new file which will be, you can say, writer underscore csv.py. Okay, now what you have to do is just simply import CSV again, CSV. Since this method is done using dictionaries, so this will be a dictionary data here, data equals an array and then dictionary with a key value pairs, like key will be name, age and city again. This is the key. Just a second guys, let's firstly enter some data. So I guess this is enough for now. Yeah, this is enough for now. So this is basically what it is doing is, this is having a key and a value in all the data. So This will make sure that data will not be mismatched. Like if you do this, like moving this in front of this, and then you will see that there will be no clashes in data because this is using key and value pairs. Now let's do one thing. Now we will open a again uh, we will open a CSV file, this one, in write mode as CSV file. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to specify the firstly field names, that these are the fields, and then you have to open a dict writer now for this particular CSV file. Okay, and then again it is a normal program. Run Python file. Okay, you can see our output here. So this is the correct output, but you can see that we have just swapped this here. Like, let's do this and paste it here, this one Anna. Now if we run this, like run this again, then only it will get changed. You can see this. In place of name, this is showing a city. This is because we have changed the key here, sorry, value here. But when we change like place of data, that doesn't matter because we are using key value pairs. And this is the required format, name, age and city. So all the keys will be aligned with this particular format. So by this method you can also create CSV files. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.